every nation, tribe, and land. You gather us with open hand. No border, name, or race divines. We walk as one with Christ our guide. In the one we are one, hearts united, journey begun. Love has made us not our own. We belong to Christ alone. Where we were many, now we're near. The heart of Christ has drawn us here. The gift of peace, the bond of grace, unites us in this holy place.